Welcome to the MarTech Challenge, Leveraging Tealium without JavaScript. My name is Dan George, and I'm the Solutions Consulting Operations Manager at Tealium. So that title probably has you a bit perplexed, right? So for those familiar with Tealium, you'll know that Tealium IQ is a client-side solution, which means it leverages JavaScript to run. What some of you may not know is that Tealium also has a product as part of the Universal Data Hub called Cloud Delivery, and that can trigger event data to vendors via the cloud. So Tealium has been approached recently by a few clients looking to decrease JavaScript on their website, and Tealium can help your business accomplish just this. So how do we do this? Typically, you're going to have that utag_data JavaScript object that exists on your web page, and you're going to have the Tealium utag.js script. Instead, we're going to remove those and add an image tag that uses our Tealium collect API. This API can accept data being passed as data query string parameters, and within that you can pass information like the account, the profile, the environment. You can pass through any other parameters that you would typically declare as part of that UDO. So let's see what this looks like. This index.html page is what it would typically look like to enable Tealium. So you have the page name as part of the UDO, you have the utag.js script, and what we're going to do is I'm going to move over to node.js.html, and you can see I've replaced that with the call out to the collect API. We're passing through the account, the profile, and the page name. So what we're going to do is jump now into the UDH and see what it looks like to receive this type of data. What you can see here is what data typically looks like that we receive from a utag.js call. So there's a lot of data coming through in the data variables. You have the cookies that are coming through, the metadata, information we're scraping from the document object model. So there's a lot of data feeding through with utag.js. If I refresh my Node.js page, what you're going to see is only the data that I've declared. So that's the big differentiation that we need to make and that you need to understand is whereas the Tealium utag.js library scrapes a lot of information off the page, the collect API only receives what you declare. So we have the page name and also declared the ut.event data parameter. But that's okay as long as you're able to take data and aggregate it as query string parameters as part of that Tealium collect API. This information will make it to the Tealium Universal Data Hub, and then you can leverage it for cloud delivery. So let's see that real quick in action. So enrich attributes, add attribute, and I'm going to use that page name variable I declared, which is of type string. And that's my new data source, so I'm going to be able to leverage with, for example, a Tealium collect, the Google Analytics tag. So I'm going to go to Connector Marketplace, Google Analytics, add my connector, and I'm going to choose an event stream of data, specifically all events that I have enabled. And from here, for example, I can pass page name to custom dimension 4. So by using the collect service, you can pass data over to the Universal Data Hub, declare those event attributes, and leverage them for cloud delivery. That's it. Thank you for watching today's MarTech Challenge, and have a great day.